guys, it's Risa and Shira, and we're using our new selfie stick today. We're at Starbucks and we're enjoying our amazing passion fruit, no sugar cane juice. That's super delicious. It's quite tart, but it's really refreshing. Anyways, we are excited because we want to talk about why people aren't ready to be on their health journey. But before I do, I just wanted to remind you guys to please subscribe, share, like, comment, and of course, ring the bell option so you'll get all my new videos by email, okay? So, the first thing is, Shira?
That people don't believe in themselves.
That's right. And you know what, guys? That is really key. Your mindset. Knowing that you are able to do, that when you believe you can
Achieve.
and you will. The power of your mind and knowing that you can will really make you successful. It's not easy. This is an easy journey, is it, Shira?
Not at all.
It's not easy, and it takes a lot of hard work, commitment, dedication, motivation, determination, inspiration to do this, okay? So that's number one, is your mindset. You need to be committed in every way to want to do this. Number two.
Making excuses.
Oh my God. Have we made excuses our whole life? Oh, we'll do it on Monday. It's a holiday. It's summertime. I want to have drinks. I want to drink alcohol. What else? What are some?
Winter, it's cold, I need hot meals. I just need one of those candies.
Right.
And I just need another one, and then 10 candies later.
That's right. So, there's always going to be an excuse, to not want to do things. But again, when you believe in yourself and you try your best, you can stop making these excuses, because the only person you are fooling is yourself, because health is wealth, people. We need to get healthy. It's key. Unfortunately, if you are in the mindset of making these excuses, it's never going to happen. Right, Shira?
Absolutely.
Right. So stop making excuses. Know that you can just try your best, and you'll see that your health journey will be successful and you're going to do really, really well. Okay? So what's number three?
They don't want the accountability.
Accountability. So many people are afraid of that scale and that number. It's only a number. And like Dr. Phil used to always say, is it working for you anyways? No. So you need to be accountable. You need support. You need to go to meetings or have somebody weigh you, whoever it is, because that is really important. Okay? And so when you see that number, it is a number, and it does, I know it provokes anxiety for a lot of people, but you need to be accountable. When I first started Shira, I told everybody. I joined WW, which is Wellness That Works, and I'll always call it Weight Watchers. And I was scared. I didn't want to go and see that number. But once I did, it was done, it's over with, and you move on, and you know that the scale's only going to go in the right direction, which is down. And then you're going to feel so successful. You're going to feel empowered. You're going to feel in control, because it was only a number. And also, people should measure themselves, because you might not lose right away, but you might lose inches as well, right? So what's the next one? Number
four.
Number four?
Afraid of failure.
Oh, exactly. So many people, have we all failed sometimes?
Oh, absolutely.
But what do we do?
Pick yourselves up and keep going.
That's right. So you fall off the horse, you get back on the horse. And your new bad isn't as bad as your old bad. I always say that. And a lot of times what happens is, you go off and you veer, but then, you know, you think to yourself afterwards, oh my God, if I just stuck to it, look where I would be. And at the place that you were, you want to be now again. So, you know, I know people are afraid of failing. I get it. There are so many different diets out there, and you have to find what works for you. You know, WW's worked for us, and now we're doing intermittent fasting. I'm not saying it's for everybody, people. It's not for everybody. But, you know, trying and seeing, some people are on keto, some people are on paleo, a low carb, a low sugar. There's so many out there. You have to find what's right for you.
Absolutely.
Right? And when you do, you'll see that you will succeed as well. You will do amazing. You will have incredible results, okay? So that's what you need to do. What's the next one?
Food is more important.
Well, we know that. We love our food. We are definitely foodies. We are foodies. We love our food. But why not have everything in moderation? Right, Shira? We have everything, you know. So we started intermittent fasting about 9 weeks ago, depending on when you're watching this video. I always say that. And, you know, like, it's not always easy. It takes a mindset, but we fast during the week, and then we have our splurges on the weekends.
Absolutely.
Right? And we love our food. And even during the week, sometimes, because we're eating in a window, so we're just having a certain amount, so you can have certain things that you do want, and you shouldn't deprive yourselves. Do you need a huge piece of cake or a small piece of cake?
Medium-sized piece of cake. No, just a small one.
And, you know, when you have dessert, you can share, you can choose. My rule of thumb is I liked baked goods. So I'd rather have baked goods than buying stuff. But everybody has to find what's good for them. You know, and so, you know, if you feel like you can't have it around, don't have it around. But again, you know, if food is more important to you, find things, new recipes like I have. I found so many different things, and I love to shop and find different products that you can have, right? We found so many different products, our Built bars, our wisps, our popcorn. You know, there's still a lot of things that you can find if you're a foodie like us. Even we're at Starbucks, and even our drinks, our passion drinks, our white, what's it called? The white tea drinks. You can still enjoy things if you're foodies. You just find different ways, right, Shira? That's what you need to do. So, these are 5 reasons why people aren't ready. And I really hope people change their mindset, realize that they have the control, the power. You have to just set new goals for yourself, small, attainable, realistic, because you're not going to lose 500 pounds right away. Slow and steady
Wins the race.
That's right. You know, we all want to lose weight fast, and we all want to see results, and we have failed before, but it's time to change. It's time to think positively. It's time to have a new mindset. And I believe in you guys. And you believe in them too?
I believe in you guys.
And now it's time for you guys to believe in yourself. So making small changes, setting realistic goals, meal planning, meal prepping, finding good exercises that you can do, drinking your water, tracking. You know those BLTs get the best of us, right? Anyways, I hope this video was helpful for you guys. First time with our selfie stick. I love the selfie stick.
Love it.
And we hope that you can be successful. Please like, comment, share, because sharing is
Caring.
she's my sidekick. Anyways, again, I really hope that when you're ready, if you need help, you know, go to meetings, Join Facebook groups, of course, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by
Risa.
okay, for extra help and motivation. People, you can message me, all right? I'm always there to help with whatever I can do because I love to share and pay it forward because the struggle is real. I know that, okay? And trust me, nobody's going to be perfect. It's not about perfection. You can do this, okay? So just think about the reasons that I've given you. And if you can identify, because I can identify, I've been there, I've done this for so many years, but I know that it's manageable, it's achievable. When you set your goal, set it a little higher because when you lose your weight, sometimes it's hard to maintain at a very low weight. So be realistic, my friends, and tell me what you're up to. Keep posting. I love seeing your posts, and take care. Bye for now.
Bye.
Bye from Starbucks in Thornhill, Ontario with Risa and Shira. Bye for
guys.
now.